is good for everybody in many different ways. There's physical benefits, there's breathing, relaxation, blood pressure lowered, and just enjoying it, the social thing of communicating with other people.
Part of drawing I always get stuck on, even after years of experience, is when faced with this blank white page, where do I start and what do I do?
And this is what I like about collecting flowers for making pictures, is it's really slow. You have to use your eyes and look around you at what amazing shapes there might be.